Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Hisense Roku TV without remote. Let's go. Connect your phone to the same network as your Hisense TV. Open Roku app. Choose your Hisense TV. Remote. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Factory Reset. Enter code. Or use keyboard, wired or wireless. Connect your keyboard to your Hisense TV via USB. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Factory Reset. Enter code. Or open Roku account. Devices in account. Choose your Hisense TV. Remove from Roku account. That's it. Now you know how to reset Hisense Roku TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.